From above, it looks like a forest like any other. But step inside, and everything changes. Visitors come here from all over the world to walk among trees that have stood for over 1,000 years. Some of these trees grow more than 350 feet tall. When you look up, even the sky feels different, hidden behind the tall redwood branches. Sunlight passes through slowly, filtered by the trees that have stood here for centuries. Below the giants, the forest is soft, full of ferns, shade, and silence. Sunlight reaches the ground in scattered pieces, lighting the path for a moment, then fading. If you pause long enough, the forest begins to show itself. The rivers here move slowly, shaped by rain, roots, and time. They've carved through this forest for centuries, feeding trees, ferns, and everything in between. In a place like this, even the water feels like it belongs to something older. The forest doesn't speak loudly. It breathes, quietly, steadily, through light, air, and time. But even this silence is starting to change. The redwoods have survived for thousands of years, but now they're facing pressures they've never seen before. Temperatures along the coast were once stable, between 40 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Today, those numbers are shifting. Fog is thinning, rainfall is less reliable, and without moisture, the forest dries out. Old-growth redwoods hold more fuel than any other forest in California, about 11% more. That makes them more vulnerable to intense wildfires, especially as the climate keeps getting warmer. A quarter of the original redwood range is already gone, cleared for roads, towns, or vineyards. That's over 600,000 acres lost. What remains is precious, but it's also fragile. It's not just the trees we're losing. It's everything that depends on them.